Hi guys! So for today's video I'm super excited because this is actually the first time that I have filmed a video as a married woman in our new apartment by myself. I've done a video with Zach before, but this is the first time I'm doing it by myself, so excuse if like the lighting looks kind of weird or the setup. I'm just trying to get used to like the different areas of the apartment that look best for filming. It's just kind of something that you have to figure out, so this is the first attempt. Zach was trying to help me, so hopefully this looks alright for you guys, and yeah, it looks good. But today's video, I am so lucky to be partnering with FabFitFun to film a unboxing video. I have been interested in FabFitFun for quite a while. It just was so intriguing to me, so I'm excited that today I get to do a live unboxing with you guys. I literally have not even touched this box. Well, I've touched it, but I haven't like opened it at all, so we're gonna do that on camera and just go through everything, and I'm so excited. So what FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box that you get 4 times a year. It's $49.99 each time, and you are able to get full-size products that are worth over $200 in the box. So you're spending $50, but you end up getting 4 times the amount of that in product, which is so amazing. So this one that I'm going to be opening today is their newly released summer box, and like I said, it is $49.99, but if you use my code Emma10, I'll have it listed on the screen now and also in the description, you'll get $10 off your first box. So you'll get that for only $39.99, which is awesome. Also, I wanted to let all of the ladies in the UK know that this box is now available to you. FabFitFun ships to United Kingdom, so if you live there and you were interested in getting a box but you weren't able to in the past, you are able to now, which is super exciting. This box now also lets you customize a little bit of what you get in your box, so I'm going to show you and just dive right into what was in my box. So I'm super excited, and let's get started. Alright, got my little scissors, and let's just cut into here. These actually aren't little, they're big. This box is first off just the cutest thing ever. I'm obsessed with palm lately and just like tropical. Look, the inside is blue. So this is what the box looks like. Oh my gosh, it's packaged so cute. So the first thing that I see when I open it is just a magazine, which I have a guilty pleasure of just looking through magazines. I just think they're so fun, and I love seeing like how it's set up, like graphic design wise. I don't know, that stuff is just interesting to me. Oh, this is cool. So like the first page, it shows you exactly what is in the box and the retail price of them, so I'm definitely going to use this as a guide as I go through this box. Then here it looks like we have some codes for some other subscription boxes. So this is HelloFresh, which I've worked with in the past and love them. Wow, $20 off your first 4 deliveries plus free shipping, so it's literally an $80 gift card. That's nice. Ooh, 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 ooh. So the first thing I see is this Sutra Beauty Marble Blow Dryer Travel Size. Guys, travel size blow dryer. I am seriously the biggest overpacker. I've packed so much stuff. Literally every single hair product that I own, every single hair tool, because, I mean, you'll never know what you're going to do, and I pack my whole closet too. So this is going to be so nice to save me space. Is this not the cutest thing ever? I love this. And then it also comes with like different attachments onto it. So this mini blow dryer retails for $60. That literally pays for the box. I'm so excited about that. Definitely going to be using that while I travel, and probably on an everyday basis too. Next thing I see is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. I am a sucker for these. They're just so refreshing, and I currently don't have any like facial mist right now because I ran out, so I'm excited about this. So here's this spray, so pretty, and it's a really big size. It's 8.11 ounces. I'm gonna try this. It's just like, it leaves your face super moisturized and feeling really fresh. So I love this for like hot summer days. Hold on, I'm gonna get started first. Ooh, it smells so good. So this spray retails for $25.95. This is intriguing. Silicone wine glasses. Whoa, this bag is cute. This is so fun. Look at these. The texture. They're so squishy. It's like little wine glasses that are silicone. Oh my gosh, these are so fun. It would be perfect for travel. Okay, I want to see like what it says about these, because these are just so intriguing to me, but I want to know like why you would choose this over glass. So let's see what they say. Set of 2 retails for $25, and it says, what an unbreakable pair. These silicone wine glasses are perfect to drink your favorite wine on the go. That makes sense, since these don't break at all. You can just bring these on the go. It could be perfect for like a little boating trip if you are a wine girl. Just drink out of these. I think these are so cute and so fun. I don't know. I can't stop saying intrigued, but I'm so intrigued by these. They're so cute. Just put them back in their bag. Ooh, what are these? Okay, these are the Invisibobble Traceless Hair Ring. Oh my gosh, these are like these, like they don't leave any creases in your hair. So here, let me like show you a little close up. These little things. And these are like smaller than I've ever seen. That's so fun. So it comes with clear and then also, ooh, like a nude color. Gosh, this is hard to do in a off the shoulder top. Ooh, that gives like a good grip to your hair. That is so nice. You know what these would be perfect for? Okay, it's not a pet peeve, but something like a feeling that is so annoying to me is when you're like in the water at like a pool or boating, or even if like you forget to take off your hair tie in the shower and they get all wet, like that cloth, and it just like, oh, it gives me the heebie-jeebies. It feels so bad. But like these obviously aren't gonna feel like that because they're plastic, so the water is not gonna like soak into it. So you can just wear this at the pool, not have to have that gross feeling on your wrist. Yes, I'm excited for these. So let's see the retail price of these. Invisibobble Original Duo Pack is $16. So that is a pretty expensive hair tie. So you get some nice luxury hair ties in this box. All right, next thing I see is this Brightening Purple Clay Mask. It's Ultraviolent. It's by the brand Generation Clay. Ooh, I haven't treated myself to a facial in a long time, so ooh, maybe I should do that in purple. Like, that sounds so fun. I'm gonna smell it because I don't have a thing about like good smells. It just smells like earthy. I don't know how to describe it. It kind of has like a like lavender smell. Violet. That would make sense. Okay. So the Generation Clay Ultraviolent Brightening Purple Clay Mask is $39 retail, and it's said to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration, which I feel like is definitely something that I need. So I'm excited to try this out. It's always nice to just get things that you wouldn't typically buy for yourself in subscription boxes, because then you have it and you don't have to spend like $40 of your own money. But these are things that like you want around your house. Just to be able to like give yourself a little pep me up. So I'm excited about this. Ooh, I've heard good things about this brand. This is the Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. It stops frizz and lightly conditions. Ooh, that smells so good. I have lately been putting like product in my hair right before I blow dry it, just to make it look more like silky and kind of detangle it before I brush it out. So I'm so excited to try this, and I've heard amazing things about Living Proof, but I just haven't like gone out myself to get it like I was talking about with the last product. So this styling cream retails for $28, and this is going to be super good for the summertime when your hair is super frizzy from the humidity. This is just going to keep it like in place and not look so frizzy because it has product in it. So I am all for that, because frizzy and staticky hair is not fun for me, and it is humid where I live. So we have 3 more things it looks like. I'll try to get through these. Next up is the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. Ooh, girl. I need this. I need a pedicure, but I just don't want to spend the money, so I think I'm going to need just a spa night, you know, do a face mask, do a little bit of a foot mask, because like, oh, the heels get so rough, it's so disgusting. So this has coconut milk and verbena. Ooh, smooths and softens, intense hydration. So I wonder, guys, it smells so good. Ideally at bedtime, apply liberally to desired area and let dry. Go to bed and awake with softer feet. Oh my gosh, so you just put this on before you go to bed, and it's supposed to do its magic in the night. So let's see how much this retails for. This retails for $32. I'm really excited to try this and see how it works. Next we have the Intelligent Nutrients Plant Stem Cell Science Refining Micro Polish. Whoa, that sounds expensive and intense. I'm going to read about this because I don't even know where to begin with this. Yeah, this retails for $57, so this is an expensive product, and it says, Intelligent is right. This unique formula is curated with plant jojoba beads, which are plant-based, biodegradable, and great for the skin. Just massage it gently into the skin and rinse to reveal refined pores and a fresh, smooth face. So this is for your face, and it's supposed to just use like the little, I think, jojoba beads to kind of just exfoliate and create a smooth base, which is perfect for summer because a lot of the times you're not wearing any makeup and you just want like a smooth, glowy, natural face. All right, next thing, this is a bag, it looks like. This is really big. Oh my gosh, a beach bag. I needed one of these. Look at that. It's just a cute little beach bag. And it even has like a snap closure, which is so nice. Throw your beach towel, your bathing suit, sunscreen, ready to hit the pool. So cute. I love this. And I actually really did need like a nice beach bag. So I'm excited. So it's by the brand Summer and Rose. And it is $50 retail. I love the rope. Like this is like great. I feel like it's not going to break no matter how heavy you have in here. Like no matter how heavy you have stuff in here, I feel like this is not going to break. They just feel super sturdy, and you can adjust like how much rope you want out. So that is very convenient. I love this. Yay, that's exciting. So I've gone through the entirety of this summer FabFitFun box, and that was so much fun. I really hope you guys had fun watching this video. If you would like to check out FabFitFun and get a box, just use my code EMMA10 and you'll get $10 off. So that's just a lot more savings for all the products that you're going to get. Let me know if you've tried FabFitFun in the comments down below, or if you're planning on trying it. I'm super excited. Hopefully I'll have some more unboxings in the future if that is something that you guys want. This was just super fun and chill, and I just love like opening packages. It's like Christmas Day all like during the summer, and it's so exciting. So let me know if you guys like this video as much as I did. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see from me, and I'll see you next time. Oh, wedding video coming soon. Seriously, so soon. If you stay to the end of this video, then you have a little sneak peek that it is coming. So that's exciting. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.
Pray all day.
What are you doing?
Looking at your box.
I needed to film my thumbnail, and now he's looking at my box. This is intriguing for everyone. Hey.
I sprayed it right on my nose.
Why?
I didn't mean to.
Wait, let me do it on you.
What else did you get?
This mini blow dryer.
Ooh, cool. Oh, that's perfect for like travel stuff.
That's what I said.
And it's marble. Right? Yeah. That's marble.
Yeah, marble. And these like silicone wine glasses.
Ooh. Also cute for travel. Ooh, I like this bag. This is cool. This is a nice pattern. I actually really like this.
Really?
You should use this a lot.
I'm gonna use it for beach cool days.
I really, really like it. Wait, what is this?
They're like silicone wine glasses.
Oh.
Guess how much like all the product is worth.
Okay.
So what was your guess?
200.
The total is $332.95.
Dang.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I'm gonna try this.